Hello, what's up guys? Here's Encryptos, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your BITMART app for those of you that are having issues with your website. So right now you're just going to go to your Play Store. If you don't have the app, you go to your Play Store, you search on your Play Store, on your search bar you type in BITMART. So if you haven't installed BITMART, it's going to show you install, but right now I already have BITMART app on my phone, so I'm just going to click on this open right here. So if I click on it, this is what it's going to look like, right? So remember, I want to create an account using our referral link, so you'll be added to the special class. So you just click on sign in or get started, right? Then if you click on this sign in, you'll be seeing sign up right here. Then you click on sign up. Under sign up here, you'll be seeing phone number, register with phone number, then password. This side you'll be seeing your email, register through your email. So right here, if you want to put in our referral code, so you'll be added to the special class, you will see where they are showing referral ID right here, this place. Then you type in Encryptos. After you might have copied the referral code from the Telegram channel, right? So after you've done that, you've put in your email, password, then our referral code right here. Then you click on sign up right here. Right now I'm not going to click on sign up because I already have an account with BITMART, so I'm just going to sign in to show you how everything looks, right? So I'll just click on sign in. Right now I'll put in my details, right? So remember to also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. So right now they just sent a code to my Gmail, so I'm just going to go to my Gmail and copy the code right there. So I've successfully logged in to my BITMART app. So this is how to log in to your BITMART app for those having issues with their network. Thank you for watching this video up to this time. Like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next